We're making turkey pot pies in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what do I always say? You know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it. Don't forget to hit the bell. I'm telling you, it's important. And then you get the alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay. Guys, what are we doing here today? I don't know, what are we doing? No, I'm kidding. We were making turkey pot pies, all right? Now, how we got the turkey, we made turkey legs in my Ninja Foodi Grill, all right? So we'll link the video. You check it out, put it right here, or we'll put it in there later. No big deal. Make sure you check it out. You can use any leftover turkey. This is presuming that you're past Thanksgiving, you got a lot of leftovers. Use this recipe. I'm telling you, 100% you're gonna love it. So, guys, stick with me here. We are going to come over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station. All right, we are going to do some chopping. We got your typical mirepoix, onions, celery, carrot, right? And then we're gonna have some thyme, some rosemary, and some potatoes. All right. Now, in order to do this, you could make the filling in your Ninja Foodi Grill, okay? But I'm looking to save you a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and we're gonna do it over on the stove, all right? In a pan, we're gonna saute the potatoes first, then add in the veg, add in the turkey, and then add in our cream of mushroom and some milk, and you'll have the perfect pie filling. It's weird saying pie filling, but your turkey pot pie filling. Trust me when I tell you, it'll just be easier for you to do it on the stove real quick and then finish it off in the Ninja Foodi Grill, okay? Real simple, real easy. You know, I'm all about that with this channel. So stick with me on this one. I know we're kind of going back and forth between the stove and the Foodi Grill, but it's going to be worth it in the end. It's going to be a great time saver, okay? That's it. Let's get you over here. We'll start chopping, we'll start cooking, we'll start moving and grooving. Do not forget to hit that like button. You're gonna like this. I know you're going to want to make this with your leftover turkey, okay? So hit that like button, share it on our social media, help your friends out. You know what I'm saying? This could obviously be done in a regular oven. It doesn't have to be done in a Foodi Grill, so this can be shared with anybody, all right? So don't forget to share. Share. I mean, you want to share all this with the world, right? All right, guys, come on back and we'll be over on the, on the cutting board. All right, come on back. Oil heat up a little bit, just about a tablespoon. You don't need a lot. Potatoes in. Now, since these are going to take the longest, we're going to let these in here. Just let them saute a little bit. You're not looking to overcook them. You're just looking to soften them up a bit. We're going to let these go, let them soften up. We're good to go. We'll add the other veggies in a second. We've let these go for about 5-6 minutes in there. We're not trying to fry them up. We're just trying to get a little cook on them. So next thing we're going to add the rest of our veg. Got the mirepoix in there. Got a little rosemary. Got a little thyme. Remember, we're making the filling for the turkey pot pie in here. All right, so we're going to add these in and get them cooked. And again, it doesn't have to be fully cooked because it is getting time in the Foodi Grill. Take this time, add a little cracked black pepper, a little kosher salt, help sweat it down a little bit. We're gonna add our turkey meat in there. Just let the flavors melt together a little bit. Everything is looking lovely and well incorporated here. So now we're gonna add the secret ingredient there, the cream of mushroom. And we're gonna fill half the can with some milk, just to dilute it a little bit. And we're gonna turn down that heat a little bit. About this under some pie crust. Yummy. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. Don't you want to just get a spoon in that right now? Alright guys, we have our homemade from the store pie dough defrosted. We have our disposable tin. Just gonna put it in there and just fit it to the bottom. We're gonna Parbake this just so it's cooked all the way through. We'll put the filling in and just trim off the excess on the outside. Round the outside, round the outside. And guys, I am not a baker, so if this pie doesn't look, if this pie crust doesn't look as perfect as can be, don't hate me on it. Don't hate me in the comments. Alright, we're gonna poke a couple little venting holes in the bottom here. When I say a couple, I mean a lot. Alright, let's turn this foodie grill on. We're gonna do bake. We're gonna take it to 400. It says 10 to 12 minutes, so let's just set 10 minutes on there. I have a feeling it'll come to temperature and be done a lot sooner than in a regular oven. Okay, so hit start to preheat it, and then once it gets preheated, we'll put this in, Parbake it, add our filling, put the other piece of pie crust on top. Cut a couple slits in it and be ready to go. The preheating is done. I'm gonna throw our pie tin in there. I'm gonna actually let it drop because the sides are really hot, so don't judge. All right, so you can see that we have it right in the middle. There's no rack, there's no grill plate, nothing like that. We're just putting it in there on the bottom of the pan. Shut this down. All right, we're 6 minutes into the baking process. I think we're good to go with the Parbaking. Baking, not bacon. All right, so I'm gonna get a little creative in getting it out. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna add our pie filling to it. Then we'll add the other sheet of pie crust to the top. Get it back in there. Being that the heating element is so close to the pie, you do not need to cook it as long or as at high temperature. So the box tells you to cook this at 450 for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, well, I know that the heating element is way too close to this, so I did it at 400, and again for like 6 minutes, and this is where we want it to be. Okay, so we'll do the same thing on the top. We'll put it at 400. Obviously the filling's already cooked, so it's just gonna get heated through as it's baking, and then we'll just watch the top and make sure we're not burning. Okay, let's get this filling in, huh? I gotta tell you guys, I just had a spoonful of it. I'll tell you, this is a meal in itself. You don't want to take the time with the pie crust, dude. I'm telling you, get yourself a spoon. It'll be good to go. All those good flavors in there. Go easy on me in the comments as I try to set this thing up. So I'm gonna try to crimp it like I know what I'm doing. But don't judge. It's not gonna be the prettiest thing ever. But I guarantee you it'll taste good, okay? Alright. Oh, this is awesome. Just call me Teddy Cracker. Alright, so we're gonna put 4 little vent holes in here. Oh, this is awesome. I'm having a great time with this. It's nice to kind of get out of the comfort zone a little bit. Baking is a good time. Alright, we're gonna preheat the foodie again. Bake 400 degrees. 10 minutes. start, let it preheat, and then we'll get it in there. Okay, while that's preheating, got a little egg wash here. It's the egg with a little bit of water. I'm just gonna brush the outside. All right. All right. Okay, we're gonna close it down. And we'll watch it. Exactly 10 minutes. Feels nice and done to me. Looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Nice golden brown on top. We'll let this rest for a little bit, and we'll bring it on the cutting board and give it a go. Give it a try. I'm excited, guys. This is awesome. All right, I've given it a good 10 minutes to cool down. I can't wait any longer. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to get into this. There we go. Not bad. Let's put that over there. Act like you didn't see that. All right, let's take a look. Look at that. So we got a little bit of shadow there. Not bad. What do you say, huh? What do you say? Look at that. All right, that is awesome. Well, you know I got to get that obligatory parsley in there for the thumbnail. All right, let's tuck into this thing. See how it turns out. Make sure we get a bite of get some potato in there. Make sure we got the turkey. What's up, dude? I see all the nice veggies in there. That's it. We have a winner. Yeah, baby. All right. We got potato right there. Potato. A little turkey. I gotta get one more bite before we talk about it. I gotta have the full nuances. Savory, golden, delicious. Oh. Pull it out the thesaurus. Any adjectives you find for delicious, pow. There you go. Oh man, this is excellent. You're gonna love it. Trust me. Come on back and we'll talk about it. Did I tell you or did I tell you? That turkey pot pie turned out wonderful. Nice golden crust, that pie filling, you are going to love it, all right? Because you're using your leftover turkey that already has the seasonings on there, that good flavor in there, and you're adding a bunch of other stuff in there to combine and make it taste even better. I mean, how could you go wrong? This was wonderful. You have to try this with your turkey, your leftover turkey. Try it with chicken, you know? Hey, I'm not judging. You know, you can even do this with ham. You have some leftover ham, have a ham pot pie. I'm telling you, it'll be delicious. Just use these basic ingredients. Can't go wrong. I swear. Hey, me and my guy here, we wouldn't steer you wrong. All right? Make sure you give it a shot. And when you do, you comment down below and tell me how much you love it. All right? So that's it for today. I'm thinking if I'm forgetting anything. Yes, I am forgetting stuff. If you guys want to get you some merch, get the hat, get the shirt, coffee cup, all that stuff, links are down below. Also, I'm sorry, if you want to get the hat, you gotta email me. I had these made up personally. They're not through the Teespring, but we'll get you one. We'll get you set up. All right. Let's see here. If you want to buy a Ninja Foodi Grill, obviously hit that link below. It goes to my Amazon store. Doesn't cost you anything else, but hey, it helps out the channel. All right. And if you want to become a member of CJ's Crew for Real, click this link to the Patreon monthly subscription service. I put little extra pictures, little extra notes in there, little behind the scenes type stuff. Just be part of that. All right. See, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you're watching this after Thanksgiving, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.